Hi, my country viewers. Today we are going to see how to prepare Seeraga Samba mutton biryani, and let's get into the video first. So before we start it, we have to prepare the Seeraga Samba rice. We have to soak it in the water. So I am planning to take 4 glasses of rice that makes into 1 kilogram, and then I have a 5-liter drum to prepare the biryani. So I have dropped already the oil and added 4 to 5 teaspoons of ghee, and meanwhile I have prepared and cleaned and chopped the tomatoes and onions which is required. So already I have heated the oil plus ghee in the white pan, and once they are hot, then I'm going to add all these onion and tomatoes into this, and then I'm going to just let it fry it little. Okay, the color should change and also the smell should appear. Okay, so it's really, I feel very like it is very good smell, amazing. So once the color is changed like this, then this is ready for the masala. So I have the mutton, 1 kg mutton already in the cooker, and I do have some coriander leaves and also the pudina leaves on side. I have chopped it and also added into this. Okay, let them also shrink a little bit, and let's wait for some time for this to get dried. And also I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. Okay, I have already prepared it, and before that I'm going to add few teaspoons of curd, which is required and for the taste of the biryani. So do keep scratching it and if needed. And now I have taken the mutton. Okay, so this is a 1 kilogram of mutton. So I have kept it in the cooker and made it until 3 to 4 whistles. Okay, I have kept it along with the turmeric powder and also a little bit of salt. Look at the meat, and it's so added into this. Okay, we added the meat, the red chili paste, and salt and turmeric powder. So we have to after this, and while we have to reduce the flame into medium level, say for 5 minutes, and then after this meat gets cooked a little bit, then we can add the masala powder. So let's wait for it. Okay. I think this is done now. So we have this remaining the mutton soup water. Okay, so we have to use that, and we can use that water, but meanwhile we will scratch this. Okay, and so that it is nicely mingled. And meanwhile we have the soaked rice, the Seeraga Samba rice. Okay, Samba rice we call it. So we have it already, which is 1 kg of rice, nearly about 4 to 5 glasses, cup, or like you can call it a cup. Okay, so now I am taking this mutton soup water. Okay, that is, we have to measure in the same cup where you measure the rice. Okay, so I think it is about 4 to 5 cups of the mutton soup water. So I'm going to add this water, measuring into the same cup which I'm using to measure the same rice level. So if I am sure, I don't think that the soup water is more enough, so I'm adding some more water to like to meet the expectations, or to make the measurements correct. Alright, now we can drop the soaked rice into this. Okay, I still have some more rice, so I just need to filter out the water, excess water, and I'm just dropping the rice into the vessel. And this is done now. Okay, let's scratch it, let's mix it along with that. Along with the biryani gravy, we have to mix it well. Now I close this top and wait for some few minutes, 3 or 10 minutes. Alright, so now the biryani is come well, and I have kept a dosa plate underneath that for and also I again closed it. I dropped few teaspoons of ghee and also some cashews if you require, and also on top of it I place some weights. Okay, so by this way we leave it for 10 minutes, then it is cooked again. So it's like almost done. So you can see the well cooked mutton biryani samba rice. Okay, so it smells awesome, and it is very soft, and also the masala is also blended so well. Thank you.